Let me show you all of the buttons controls on Soundcore Space One. So first, let's focus on the left ear piece right here, and the first button you will see is NC, which allows you to change between active noise cancelling or transparency mode. Also in the app settings, if you pair this device with your smartphone, you'll be able to add the normal mode. Then we have the power button, and you can use the power button to turn on or off your headset. Click and hold it for 3 seconds to turn it on, and do the same to turn it off as well. After that, we can move to the left one, and right one I mean, and then there's the volume buttons plus and minus, and there's also, it's really hard to actually show you that, play and pause button right there. And now you can use the volume with the plus icon to increase the volume of your phone. You can use minus to decrease it by just clicking on it once, or alternatively you can click and hold a volume plus to skip to the next song, or volume minus to go to the previous song. And there's also options for the play and pause button. This one right here. Let it focus, please. Okay, so if you press on it once, and let's go with the phone calls first. Actually, if you click on it once, you'll be able to pick up or end a call. You can hold it for 2 seconds to decline incoming call. You can press on it once to play or pause music if you're listening to it. And there's also option to hold it for 2 seconds when you're not receiving any call to activate Google Assistant. And finally, when you're in the call, you can hold it for 2 seconds to mute the microphone. And that is basically every button function on this device.